Today's video is slightly different. I'm going to show you one of my approaches to testing glazes. It's definitely not a replacement for test tiles, but it is a way to have some control over finishing and glazing projects. It allows me to troubleshoot before I glaze a whole body of work. So I'm making a number of small plates. These plates will have a small wall so I can see how the glaze behaves on both the flat and vertical surfaces. I leave some plates plain. And some I finish with my signature swirl. And some I add texture. This allows me to see how the glaze pools. I don't trim, I just smooth around the edges. I often want to see how my glazes look on different clays, so I experiment with different bodies. These small dishes don't need much glaze, so it's easy to try many variations. I've found these really useful in some recent projects. In particular, troubleshooting glazes for my latest cake plate. And of course, they might actually be useful. I hope your new year is full of amazing pottery projects. And as always, happy potting!